Hi, everyone. This week's flip along is I'm a Monster Truck. Written by Dennis R. Sheely. Illustrated by Bob Stack. I smash, I bash, crash. I love the sound of breaking glass, 'cause I'm a monster truck! I was made to make mud fly. I may slide, but I never slip. My tall tires grab the dirt as I take tight twists and extreme turns. When I race to win. And I win every time. But racing isn't everything. I'm gargantuan and graceful. The freestyle event is where I show off my smooth moves. But heck, I am a monster truck, and I love to crush cars under my big wheels. Crunch! The more I crunch 'em, the louder my fans cheer. Uh-oh. Looks like Carcharodontosaurus wants my leftovers. He's a monster machine that eats cars and breathes fire. Don't worry, monster trucks aren't afraid of anything. I'll put this mechanical menace back in his cage. It's time for a break. Let's watch the motorcycles take to the air. They criss and they cross, but they don't crash. And they do it all without a net. There's my buddy Billy Rex. He and his crew are part of the Demolition Derby. They smash, bash, and crash each other until there's only one car left in the mud. But don't worry, they love it. When the show's over, we love to take one last lap for the crowd. Then it's lights out. Time for this monster truck to stop the roaring and start the snoring. Thanks for reading along with us. Come back next week for another story.